Yo guys, so first of all, apologies for the background noise. I've got my washing machine going. It's Friday, so I'm just doing a bit of a house clean. However, this video is going to be teaching you guys how to get free Tinder gold in 2024. So if you've been searching for a working method on how to get Tinder gold for free using usually a promo code, I've tried pretty much everything, guys, and I finally managed to find a Tinder promo code that's going to provide you with either 1 month Tinder Gold, Plus, or Platinum. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to do it. So I was searching on my MacBook, but you do need to use your mobile phone for this. So just pick up your mobile, open up the internet, and head on over to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. So pause the video, type it exactly like this, guys, to find Speedy Coupons. So just navigate your way to this website. Hopefully that's easy enough. And you need to look for the Tinder page, and it's usually in the popular coupons. You can see it there. You can scroll down and find it, or you can search for Tinder in the search bar. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on this. And this is Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. Now you can see these coupons are limited in number. Sometimes this number doesn't update, but as long as you can find this page on Speedy Coupons, that means that there are still codes left for you to get. And you can choose between a 1 month free Tinder Gold, 1 month free Tinder Plus, or 1 month free Tinder Platinum. So they all come with different features and they cost a different amount usually. However, obviously you can get it for free. So just click on show coupon. So in this case, I've chose 1 month free Tinder Gold. Now, obviously these codes are pretty valuable. A 1 month Tinder Gold is about, what, $20 or something. So you need to unlock your personal code. This basically prevents people from stealing the codes and getting unlimited gold, you know. So this limits 1 code per person. Now, I've already got Tinder Gold, so I don't want to waste these coupons. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock code. And when this gets to 100%, you can see it's counting. So let me just cancel out of this quick. But anyway, guys, when that gets to 100%, you're going to see a new page and it'll tell you how to unlock your code. It is easy. You just need to complete a couple of these tasks that, you know, they can be like downloading and playing games. There is instructions on the page. So just follow the instructions you see and yeah, it will tell you how to do it. And once you've done that, once you've verified yourself, your code will be fully revealed. So, you know, this code will be completed and you can enter it into the Tinder website and it's going to allow you to get your free gold. So that is it, guys. Head on over to Speedy Coupons and just follow the instructions. It is easy. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your free Tinder gold. Peace out.